All right, today I'm going to show you 6 ways how to make money with ClickFunnels. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make the monies. So here we go, starting with number 1, it's affiliate marketing. So guys, you can literally go onto a site. It's called ClickBank. If you're not aware of it, it is awesome. It has a list of tons of offers with links, and if you just share the link and if people click on it, then you get paid. So ClickBank will show you how much the offers are. Some other great ones are Offer Vault. I think it's CJ. So there's a lot. So that's something you can do right with ClickFunnels. You just set up a great funnel and send them through it and say click here and boom, go to it. So that's pretty sweet. Another thing you can do this with is Amazon. You can literally sell anything on Amazon and get a commission. Another great way to do affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels is literally just do any software. And before you do that, I would just search, what software sells with commission. And there's your list. Another great one, it's very easy. It's literally, you can sell ClickFunnels. It has a 40% commission and it's monthly reoccurring revenue. So that might be something you definitely want to look into. Okay guys, so to do affiliate marketing, it is very easy to start and it literally can be done by anyone. So the next thing guys is physical products. So with physical products, if you have a physical product right now, if you're doing Amazon FBA or if you've been working with a family business, etc., you can definitely do this with ClickFunnels. Let's see here. If you don't have your own brand, but you know some other people that do, some family members or friends, or someone that has a small shop, you can work with them. Another way is if you have a Shopify, you can integrate now with ClickFunnels and Shopify. I can show that in another video. So guys, this might be a little moderately hard to start. It can be easy if you currently have a physical product or if you know someone that does. Okay, so the next thing, number 3, is to manage funnels for clients. So there is a guy named Dan Henry that teaches this very thing. He teaches Facebook ads and how to work with clients, and you can bind the two with ClickFunnels and boom, you can be making money. He has this club, I think it's the $10,000 club a month, and there are lots of people that do it. In fact, I interviewed a guy that has done it, and so guys, it can be easy to start, especially if you have connections with some small businesses, and that can include, examples would be a dentist, real estate, restaurants, etc. Okay, so it's kind of like an ad agency kind of way to do it. So number 4, the 4th way to make money using ClickFunnels is literally drop shipping. You can do it right with AliExpress. If you haven't heard of that, they have a list of products from China. You can buy them for say $4 and sell them on here to the US for $10. But the great thing is you don't even have to buy the product until it sells for $10. Then you go buy it. So it is cool because ClickFunnels now has an integration that you can do that. So pretty sweet. So this can be easy to start. The great thing is that there's no or very, very little money up front. Okay, the 5th way to make money on ClickFunnels is information products or sell a membership course. So once again, sell a course, sell an ebook. This can be moderate to hard, but it can be easy to start, especially if you have a specific skill set or if you like to teach, if you are a teacher. But guys, ClickFunnels does have a membership area. You can build it all out right there, and then of course use their funnel software to promote it. So pretty sweet. Okay, the 6th and last way is to design and build funnel templates. So what this means is that you can literally build out a specific funnel, let's just say in the auto detailing industry. Okay, you can build out this funnel for let's just say a detail business, detailing business, and if it works, then obviously you can go into and share that with people within the industry, and you can do this shared funnel. Essentially, you give people the funnel for free, or you charge them a price like $100 or $200. And if they're going to use that shared funnel, then they also need to be using ClickFunnels, which would then also help you get that affiliate sales. So guys, this can be moderate to start. It can be easy if you're a designer and enjoy designing. Okay, guys, so lastly, what is the easiest way to make money off of ClickFunnels? And I would say that Russell Brunson himself would probably say this is the easiest way. Why? Because he was an affiliate marketer himself. So the easiest way is affiliate marketing, in my opinion. There are tons of ways to do affiliate marketing. Essentially, all I have to do is send people links, and if they click on it and sign up, then boom, you get paid. Guys, you can literally pick this in any niche. Once again, you can even sell the product ClickFunnels. So guys, now get off your booty and make some monies. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions. Please share or subscribe, and tip that bell icon if you are interested in any more videos to come. All right, guys, have an awesome day and go make some monies with ClickFunnels.